In February 2000, the National Imagery and Mapping Agency collaborated with NASA on a revolutionary mission to collect high-resolution data for more than 80% of the Earth's surface. It was a very unique mission. They used a modified radar, which required the Space Shuttle Endeavour to fly upside down, deploy a boom 60 meters out into space, and at the same time, be able to keep the stability it needed to map the Earth's surface. The mission was a success. Using this data, we've been able to create our touchable 3D relief maps, divided into sections by state, province, and region. They reveal the contours of the land and show the shape and elevation of each terrain. Select any country that you would like to discover and explore by touch and sight. With the ability to feel the elevation of volcanoes, smoothness of deserts, and the grooves in mountains or valleys, it will bring the definition of maps to the next level. We are very proud to be the frontrunners and significant part of such a revolutionary tool. There's more. In addition to the 3D map, we are creating an app with a weather radar. With this app, you will have the ability to see precipitation movements over the 3D map of your choice on your mobile phone in an augmented reality. And one more important thing, thank you for your support.